Cows, bishops and Catalonia help make up the current flag of the Principality of Andorra. First off, yes, it does look similar to Romania, Chad and Moldova, but I've covered that in a separate episode. Details at the end, hang in there. The history of this country is important to its flag. In 1278, Spain and France agreed to joint jurisdiction over this community. Consequently, the coat of arms incorporates this fact. The top left houses elements of the Spanish bishop. The three red bars to the right are the colours of the local count. The other red and yellow bars represent the Catalonian flag, of which Andorra was once part of, and still borders. And finally, the cows are from Bearn, part of France. The main blue, yellow, red date back to 1866 and is said to come from the original flag of the area, with the added blue from France. There have been a number of variations until the design appeared in the early 1970s and was standardised in July 1993 when the country joined the UN. Fun fact, well it is when it comes to flags, the yellow is slightly wider than the blue and red with a ratio of 8:9:8. If you want to learn more about this and similar styled and coloured flags, then you need to click on this video to fulfil that need.